Let's fire up our core with a seated and standing sequence designed to strengthen and tone through the front, back, and sides of core while improving balance and stability. Stick around until the end, where I share with you my top 2 tips for losing belly fat. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this abtastic routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Continue here, or adding a leg extension, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles on the extension. Continue here, or adding on. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, sitting tall with your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center, transitioning into standing postures. Come to stand with your left hip closest to your chair and your left hand to the back of your chair for support. Shift your weight into your left foot. Adding a knee raise, begin to lift and lower through your right leg as you continue standing tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or adding a leg extension, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and set your right foot to the earth, moving into a side crunch variation. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, elbow to knee, lifting through your right leg. Continue with this movement, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Come to stand with your right hip closest to the chair and your right hand to the chair for support. Shift your weight into your right foot, adding a knee raise. Begin to lift and lower through your left leg as you continue standing tall. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release and set your left foot to the earth, moving into a side crunch variation. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release, moving into a lunge, knee tuck variation. Place both hands to the chair for support. Step your left foot forward and your right foot back for a lunge position. Keep your left hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee. Continue with this movement, keeping your navel back towards your spine, squeezing and contracting your ab muscles as you draw elbow to knee. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Step your right foot forward and your left foot back for lunge position. Keep your right hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee. Continue moving at your own pace, squeezing and contracting through your ab muscles as you draw elbow to knee. Release, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Place your hands in line with your shoulders and your feet below your hips. Inhale, lift your heart forward and up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, feeling your neck long. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Adding on, inhale, lift through your heart as you lift and extend through your right leg. Exhale, round your spine as you draw your knee in towards your navel. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flowing at your own pace. With each inhale, lift through your heart as you lift and extend through your right leg. And with each exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, drawing your knee in towards your navel and your chin towards your chest, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With an inhale, lift through your heart as you lift and extend through your left leg. And on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your knee in towards your navel and your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and come to take a seat, transitioning into seated postures. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue breathing deeply as you release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for my top 2 tips for losing belly fat. Abs are made in the kitchen and consistency is key. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.